So something else you might want to do is hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are going to be very helpful for students to navigate to go to other websites through Schoology. So I created an assignment, and if I wanted my students to work on Prodigy, instead of doing an external tool, you can hyperlink. So I can say log into to Prodigy here and work for, I don't know, 20 minutes. So I could hyperlink these words, log into Schoology here. And the way I would do that is I would copy that link from Prodigy and I highlighted what I want to be hyperlinked. And I'm going to click this chain link and paste that link. So now it's blue. So when the students go and click on those blue words in a new tab, Prodigy will open. I think it's better for especially primary, but really all of elementary to hyperlink images. I think it just makes it a little bit easier for students to know what they're going to. So what you can do is you can take any image from the internet. I just Googled Prodigy logo icon. If you were, wanted to do a link to something from Benchmark or whatever, you could grab that image. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to click copy image. Now I'm going to go back to Schoology and I'm going to click paste. And my image is huge. So I'm going to make that smaller I can either drag this way or I'm going to click this little icon here. So I'm going to make it maybe 90 by 90. So now here's my image. It's a lot smaller. Maybe I'll make it a little bit bigger. Oops. Maybe I'll make it 120 by 120. So now I can hyperlink this. So same thing, I'm going to highlight and then I'm going to click this link and I'm going to, oops, I need to go back and recopy this link and paste it there. So now this image is hyperlinked. So when students click on it, it'll take them to a new tab to Prodigy. Remember from the basic training, I recommend using tables to organize your assignments. So maybe you might want to put number 1, click on the Prodigy logo, and I can drag him into the table. And then maybe my next one is going to say work on Prodigy for 20 minutes. And then maybe I could do an image here of somebody working hard. And then maybe I would remind my students to turn in this assignment when you are done. And then I can click create. And then I'm going to show you what that will look like. Oh, I did not create a category. So now when students click on Prodigy, they can either click this blue link, and when they do that, it'll open a new tab, or they can click this image icon. So I think personally, I like linking images. I think it's just a little bit easier for the kids and it just looks a little more user friendly. But you can also teach your kids that when there's blue words, you can click on that as well. But I personally like the images the best.